Hey guys, welcome back to another week of Troubleshooting Tuesday. Today we are going over how to prevent your macaron shells from fading and losing their color. So let's go over 3 different factors that can cause fading of your macaron shells. One factor that can cause fading color in your macaron shells is the quality of your product. So if you have a low quality product, you will likely see fading of your color when you're baking. If you want super vibrant shells, I recommend purchasing quality products. So like the Sugar Art, which I talk about a lot on my channel, you can use my code BAKEToujour to get 15% off. There's also gel colors like Macaron and Chef Master. Those are all high quality products that I recommend and will help your color stay true and vibrant while baking. If you've already purchased these nice products and you're still having your color fade, then your issue could be your oven. Ovens cause a lot of our problems with macarons, and one of them can be losing our color because the temperature is either too hot, you're over baking, or you're too close to your heat source. In which case, you can either bake shorter amount of time, bake at a lower temperature and for a little bit longer, or bake a little bit further away from your heat source. So if your heat source is from the top, move your entire oven rack down a notch and see if that helps keep your shells a vibrant color. If you don't believe your oven is your issue, another way of preventing the fading of your color would be to add your color in multiple stages. So if you're adding your color in the very beginning of your meringue process, you're going to aerate your meringue and it's gonna fade in color for sure, even before you get to piping out your shells. So in that case, if you're not getting vibrant enough shells, add your color in at the end of your whipping process so it doesn't aerate and get a lighter color. Or if you're looking for super deep colors, I suggest adding in your color in every step of the way. So you're wanting to add in right in the beginning of your meringue process, at the end of your meringue process, and while you are mixing in your dries as well. That's gonna make it so you get that vibrant color you want, and if you don't have oven problems, then also keep that vibrant color. So let's recap really quickly. In order to have nice vibrant shell colors and not have the fading color of your macaron shells, you can 1, use a nice high quality product like the Sugar Art. 2, you wanna make sure your oven is not fading your colors by doing the before mentioned troubleshooting issues of your oven. And number 3, you can try adding your macaron colorant in towards the end of your meringue process so it's not being aerated and lightened as you whip your meringue. I hope these quick tips help you guys have beautiful, vibrant macaron shells. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next week for another Troubleshooting Tuesday.